Nike's Fall 2025 lineup welcomes the Air Max 90 Black Reflective, a dark and daring update designed for both style and visibility. This stealthy rendition sees nearly every component, from mesh and leather overlays to the midsole and laces, bathed in deep black for a clean, minimalist vibe. Despite its tonal look, it's anything but ordinary. Reflective 3M elements on the swoosh and surrounding panels light up under direct light, offering a functional edge perfect for low-light environments. Gray Nike branding at the tongue and heel adds a subtle contrast, enhancing the sleek aesthetic. Built on Tinker Hatfield's legendary blueprint, the silhouette remains timeless while evolving with modern utility. With its streetwear-ready look and eye-catching glow, the Air Max 90 Black Reflective blends heritage design with innovative details. Expect this standout sneaker to arrive in fall 2025 through Nike.com and select retailers, just in time for the shift to cooler, darker days.